Dreaming of that international trip? Ever wonder if your trusted TD Bank card will work abroad to get you cash when you need it most? It's a common question, and getting your finances sorted before you travel is super important. Nobody wants to be stranded without access to their money in a foreign country. So, let's dive into whether you can withdraw money internationally with TD Bank and what you need to know to make your travel smooth. Using your TD Bank debit card internationally. The good news is, yes, you can absolutely withdraw money internationally with your TD Bank debit card. Most TD Bank debit cards are Visa debit cards, which are widely accepted at ATMs around the world displaying the Visa acceptance mark. This means you can typically get cash from millions of ATMs globally. Just look for that familiar Visa logo. Understanding the fees involved. While convenient, international withdrawals aren't always free. Here's a breakdown of potential fees you might encounter. TD Bank's international ATM withdrawal fee. TD Bank typically charges its own fee for international ATM withdrawals. For example, for TD Connect cards, this is $3. For TD Access cards, TD Canada Trust, it can be $3 in the US or Mexico, and $5 in other countries outside of Canada, the US, or Mexico. ATM operator fees. This is crucial. The local ATM operator might also charge their own fee, even if you don't complete a transaction. This fee is separate from TD Bank's fee and can vary significantly by country and ATM. Foreign exchange fee. When you withdraw foreign currency, a foreign exchange fee is usually applied. This is often a percentage of the converted amount. For instance, TD Access cards with a Visa debit logo often have a 3.5% foreign exchange fee. This means the exchange rate you get will include a markup, so you're not getting the exact mid-market rate you see on Google. Daily limits and security tips. Just like domestic withdrawals, international ATM withdrawals have daily limits. These limits are set for your protection and can vary. You can typically check your daily ATM withdrawal limit through the TD mobile app on the transaction limits screen. If you need a higher limit for your trip, it's a good idea to contact TD Bank or visit a branch beforehand to request an adjustment. Here are a few essential security tips for international withdrawals. Notify TD Bank of your travel plans. It's a good practice to inform TD Bank about your travel dates and destinations to avoid your card being flagged for suspicious activity. Have a backup plan. Don't rely solely on one card. Consider carrying a credit card for emergencies or having some local currency on hand. Be cautious at ATMs. Use ATMs in well-lit, secure locations, and be aware of your surroundings. Other ways to access funds internationally. While ATM withdrawals are convenient, TD Bank offers other options for international money access. TD Global Transfer. You can send money internationally directly to a recipient's bank account for cash pickup via Western Union, or even to an eligible Visa debit or credit card. Fees and limits apply, and exchange rates will include a markup. Wire transfers. For larger sums, wire transfers are an option, though they come with higher fees, $50 for outgoing international wire transfers with TD Bank, and can take several business days. Foreign currency exchange. You can order foreign currency directly from TD Bank before you travel, often at competitive rates. Knowing these details empowers you to manage your money effectively while exploring the world. Don't let financial surprises ruin your adventure. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.